Hello, everyone. I am Amira, the business lawyer and entrepreneur behind aselfgrew.com, where I help entrepreneurs legally protect their businesses with my easy-to-use legal templates and bundles and services. Today, I'm really excited to have you all join me to have a very special interview with Nakina, who is one of our amazing customers. She's amazing because she took action early to legally protect her online business with my VIP legal bundle templates that gives you essential website legal pages and contracts that you need to protect your business. She also got the ADA website compliance legal bundle, which makes your website legally compliant with accessibility laws out there. And she took another step forward and she got signed up for my 1 hour LLC service where you and I work together and file your LLC within the hour. So Nakina is here to share her journey and challenges that she faced as she was starting her business and how she used these legal strategies, obviously the tips and working with me that gave her the peace of mind and confidence to launch her business successfully without the fear of legal mistakes. So if you're thinking about protecting your business and you have no idea how to get started, this video is going to be super helpful for you. So let's get started. Hi, Nakina, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. And you?
I am fantastic. Tell us where are you located and what do you do?
I'm outside of Dallas, Texas. I'm a blogger that focuses mainly on how to do affiliate marketing.
Love it. Yes, I also do affiliate marketing, so I love that. Akina, how did you hear about aselfgrew.com or me and obviously my legal templates and services?
I heard about you from a friend, Melissa. She's a fellow blogger and she was very interested in doing the legal side of things. And I had been putting it off. I had looked into it and it was scary, it was intimidating, and I knew I didn't understand it. But Melissa convinced me that I needed to take care of it. And she came across you, and I thought, oh, this is the answer.
Oh, I love that. And I know Melissa, she's a sweetheart. She's also gotten my VIP legal bundle, so I love that she recommended us to you. What legal templates and services did you purchase from us?
I purchased the VIP legal bundle, the ADA website compliance bundle, and then the LLC 1 hour session because I hadn't set up my business as a business yet.
Awesome. Can you tell us some of the challenges, Nakina, that you were experiencing that made you want to work with me one-on-one for the LLC service and then also invest in our VIP legal bundle?
Well, I had looked into the whole process. I saw there were so many ways to go about it, and I didn't know the correct way. And then I looked into it even further, and it was like, well, if I do it on my own, I don't understand what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm going to do it incorrectly. So I knew I needed help, but I didn't want to pay for a lawyer because that's thousands and thousands of dollars.
Yes.
So I was so glad to find your help.
I am so glad to hear that because you're absolutely right. And the biggest thing that I hear all the time from customers is like, I don't know what I don't know. So the fact that you are working with a lawyer, but it's not going to cost you thousands of dollars and you have that same legal protection without the hefty price tag is like a win-win. So you booked our LLC Formation Service, which is our done with you 1 hour LLC service where you and I work together over Zoom and we get all of that done for you within the hour. Can you briefly talk about like why you wanted the LLC from the beginning and how was your experience working with me?
Well, I know that for tax purposes, if that was alone why I needed it, I needed it. But I think also I needed to protect myself from possibly getting sued, which won't happen now that I have the VIP legal bundles, hopefully. But I knew I needed protection.
Yes.
And also, I looked into the whole process and I didn't know if I needed an LLC or what I needed. I just didn't know what I didn't know, like you said. So I was really excited to book that call with you and find out what it meant to get an LLC and get it set up. And then also, we had that hour together. So I was able to ask you any questions I had. And that was fantastic.
Yeah, no, that's great. And I'm really proud of you because A lot of people don't know when they need the LLC, what exactly the LLC does, or, how to even get started. And believe me, a lot of people come to me once they've made mistakes because they try to file the paperwork on their own and then they want to correct it. And now they have to file amendments. They have to hire a lawyer. So it's good that you literally took care of all of this from the very beginning so that now you can focus on just the business part of it, which is more fun.
Right.
And for those of you who don't know, the LLC creates that shield of protection between you and your business so that your personal assets are protected. That's the reason why a lot of my customers, they file from the very beginning because they don't want to worry about like legal liability and personal liability and also losing their home or their car or personal bank account information being at risk if there's ever a legal dispute or a lawsuit or something. So the LLC provides you that liability protection. But then there are others that kind of wait and see. So we work with both kinds of entrepreneurs, but my favorite ones are obviously the proactive ones like you, because this way you just have more peace of mind and you can just really protect your assets from the beginning and then continue working on the business without that stress. So we talked about VIP legal bundle, right? What made you decide to get that bundle over the other ones?
Oh, I purchased that one primarily because I saw that the LLC was in a higher bundle than the very beginning one,
Yes.
but also just cost. It was less expensive to buy it now. And also, as you add to it, I gained access to that. So it was cost, honestly. It was
Yeah.
less
Yeah.
expensive that way in the long run.
Absolutely, because you can't beat that. And I know that how affordable it is. And that's why that bundle sells so much. And it's our most popular because you get 16 templates. You get all your website compliance templates like privacy, disclaimers, terms and conditions, which pretty much all business owners need. Then you get all these essential additional contracts, like you talked about the LLC operating agreement. You also get freelance contract, coaching agreement. So depending on what you're going to do with your business, you'll have a contract, you'll have a template along the journey. And then, of course, the bonuses, all of those things are exclusively for the VIP bundle instead of like the smaller ones. And then when you add up all of that, you're saving like thousands of dollars. Now, tell me, Nakina, like, how did you feel like after purchasing the templates and then after working with me one-on-one for the LLC? Were there any results that you weren't expected that pleasantly surprised you?
I'll tell you the honest truth. At first, when I purchased, I was still scared. I was still overwhelmed. But then I looked into it, and the templates are highlighted in yellow where you need to fill stuff out. And so they're so easy to fill out. And I had one question: do I put Nakina Lawson or do I put Nakina Lawson LLC in the blank? And you were able to answer that. And it was that easy. It was great. And I just feel so excited. I'm official now. And also relieved because I stand on solid legal footing now.
Yes. And that's like everything, peace of mind and having that, again, it's a lot of work that you're putting into starting and growing your business. So it's very important to have that strong legal foundation. You're also very smart that from the very beginning, you didn't bother wasting time Googling or getting free templates or even doing AI nowadays that people think they can just put something in ChatGPT and then the template that they will get is enforceable or compliant, which I know is not because I've audited and I've seen all kinds of mistakes that AI is known to make. I know even the free templates out there on Google are not reliable, not enforceable, but why didn't you resort to any of those? Like, what were your reasons for not trusting that kind of thing?
Well, at first I did because I didn't know any better. I bought a plugin for my blog and I thought, oh, this will cover me. I think I paid for the upgrade so that it covered everything. And then I found out, no, there's a little blurb on it that says that it's not necessarily legal.
Oh,
And I was like, well, what good is it then? So, yeah, I needed something more. But again, it took me a while before I dared to get that something more. And so I would urge anyone not to wait, just to go for it because it feels so good to have it done.
that's right. And I love the fact that you're so honest about it. Like you're like, yes, I made those kinds of mistakes or I had that hesitation. But I think the most important thing that what I'm hearing is that you still took action. You didn't like let
Mhm.
those things stop you, right? So that's the key at the end of the day. Like the fear didn't stop you. You were smart enough to still make an informed decision for yourself, your business. Anything else that you would like to share with people that are watching that are considering investing in working with me one-on-one or even buying my VIP legal bundle templates?
I would sincerely recommend Amira because she's like talking to a friend. She's able to just have a conversation and answer all the questions and puts you at ease so that you can get all your questions answered. And the templates are so easy to use. I really recommend them.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Can you remind our viewers like how they can reach you, where they can reach you?
Oh, yes, I'm at nakinalawson.com.
Awesome. So if you are watching this video and you're also ready to protect your business like Nakina did, then don't wait. Take our advice, take action, don't wait. You can get started today with our VIP legal bundle, ADA website compliance legal bundle, or even the LLC service to protect your business from the start. What I loved about Nakina is that she had hesitations. Yes, she had explored all her options, but at the end of the day, she did the right thing. She's worked with a lawyer. She didn't have to spend thousands of dollars. So if you're also looking to take action and your business is not compliant yet, then go ahead and visit aselfgrew.com or click the link around this video to ensure that your business is compliant and protected. That will, trust me, give you peace of mind so you could focus on your business growth. Thank you so much for being here with us today, and I will see you guys next time.